Gray, timeless, sophisticated, and endlessly versatile, strikes a perfect balance between warmth and modernity, setting the foundation for a sleek and stylish home. This video showcases a beautiful modern house with a stunning gray color palette. Let's get started.
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
Stepping into the first room, you're hit with a sleek gray vibe, modern, stylish, effortlessly cool. The varying shades add depth, making the wood and leather accents pop. It's calm polished, with just a hint of industrial edge. Some might find it a bit cool-toned or crave more contrast, but the rich textures and artwork keep it interesting. Bottom line? Gray totally works. I love the gray in this room. It's calm and modern. The darker back wall adds depth, while the lighter tones keep it airy. Even the storage blends in, making everything feel put together. The light gray floor ties it all together. Simple, stylish, and just works. Next, this room rocks the grays. Light gray cabinets, super sleek, right? Then they go a bit darker with the countertops. Gives it some depth. But the real clever bit is the backsplash area. Same light gray as the cabinets, but that darker gray wall behind the shelves? It is genius. Makes everything pop. And the floor, that concrete white gray ties it all together. Layers of gray, but it totally works. Oh, and little pops of color, smart move, keeps it from being too blah. Really digging it. Now, the dining room, totally all about grays. Chill gray walls, cool concrete gray floor, even the wood wall has gray tones. Then the black table? Bold contrast, makes it pop. Lightwood chairs keep the vibe balanced. Modern and effortless. Step into the hallway. Gray walls, super clean. Light gray storage blends right in, while the warm wood floor with a grayish wash pulls it together. And that pop of color from the artwork and chair? Perfect contrast. Simple, stylish, effortless. Check out this bedroom. Gray walls, super chill. The darker gray bed frame adds contrast, and that light grayish-green rug brings in a subtle touch of color. The concrete wall by the bathroom? More gray, but with texture. Layers of gray, but never boring. Pops of color. The orange blanket, red lamp, blue vase make everything stand out. Smart, stylish, and seriously well done. Right, this room's all about gray, but done right. That wall behind the sinks, speckled, almost terrazzo, gives it texture. Dark gray cabinets underneath, super sleek. Lighter gray on the side balances it. Then boom. Purple, green, warm wood. Gray's the main thing, but details make it pop. Definitely not boring gray. Now we go to the second home that has gray wall color in their interior. This room's a great example of using gray. The concrete ceiling and pillar create an industrial vibe perfect for a modern living area. Soft gray walls keep the space open and airy, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Pale gray floor tiles continue the theme. The orange staircase adds a bold focal point. Different textures like wood and the rug break up the gray, adding visual interest to this living space. Plants bring in a natural element. It's stylish, modern, and calming, a truly inspiring design for a functional and beautiful room. This room's got serious style. The gray textured wall behind the stairs is a standout. Light gray floors make the space feel massive. Warm wood on the staircase and built-in features pops against the cool gray. Black accents from the lights and art add a touch of drama. It's modern, sophisticated, and welcoming. This gray palette is definitely not boring. This space is so chic. The layered grays are stunning. Concrete ceilings mix with softer gray walls beautifully. The darker gray accent wall adds depth. Pops of color and textures stand out against the neutral backdrop. Luxurious feel throughout. This gray palette is sophisticated and on point. This bedroom rocks a cool gray vibe. The concrete look floor gives a modern edge. Lighter gray walls make it feel spacious. The wood wardrobe adds warmth and texture. Green accents from pillows and plants liven things up. The darker gray TV stand adds another layer. It's calming yet stylish. The varied grays keep it interesting. Totally love this look. This bathroom's gray is so chic. The dark gray vanity is sleek and modern. Lighter gray walls keep it bright. The mirrored backsplash is genius, making it feel huge and glam. Gold fixtures and warm wood tones soften the gray. It's stylish and sophisticated. This gray combo totally works. This outdoor space is stylish with gray. The light gray concrete wall feels open. Darker gray stone steps add texture. Gray cushions tie it together. Warm wood tones and greenery contrast beautifully. Orange pops add fun. This gray palette is modern, elegant, and relaxing.